Hello, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, back out in the farm, working on this Hyundai iLoad or iMax, same. We're going to be swapping out the boot lock actuator. Now specifically this is going to be for about the 09 to the 16 model. This part that we're swapping, it's the actual lock mechanism itself, the one that actually kind of holds the tailgate to the body of the car, not the electronic actuator up the top. That will be a separate video. This is the actual the striker and the actual mechanism itself that does all the heavy work or lifting. There is a sensor inside of it that when it is open, like so, it will trigger a light on the dash saying tailgate open. So you're either here swapping it for that specific reason, or you're swapping it because if you think about it, as it is a commercial vehicle, they obviously go through a lot of use every day, bang, open, close, open, close. So the little swing arm here wears out and eventually stops working entirely. So if you are here to swap it for that reason, you might find you're not able to actually get into the boot or it won't shut properly. Super easy to swap it out. If in the case you can't actually open the tailgate from inside because it's just packed up completely, you'll have to pop this trim off. But if you already have the tailgate up, then you do not actually have to pop the trim off. Guys, to pop the trim off, it's super easy. You have 4 Phillips head screws. You can pop the whole thing off. It takes 2 seconds, literally pops down, and then you can come in from this side and you use the little rods that come off it. Just press unlock and it'll unlock hopefully. But based on my understanding of what happens to these, yours should be unable to shut. So yeah, that's what we're going to swap here today. Super easy, guys. You literally get your tailgate open like so, and you come over and hit these 3 10mm bolts. I'll show you. Alrighty guys, so if you've got your tailgate open, just cruise over here, 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, like so. And you'll see it just pops down there, and you can just pull it through like so. And if you have a look here, you've got this little electrical plug. That's that sensor I was talking about. If you're here for that reason, then this is kind of why you're doing the job, to swap out that little electronic sensor in there. Then inside, straight through, you will see a little black plastic clip. Just pop it to the side and just lift the rod, and it's as easy as that, guys. In and out in under 30 seconds. Now, let's assume you can't get it open like that. You can see that same structure. You see this section here, that's that little black thing we popped. You would just have to undo this trim, which is so easy, just 4 screws, pop it down and pop it off, and you can manually pull it like that, and hopefully that'll get it open. But other than that, guys, super easy to swap. Don't forget, if you do need it, we do have them available here at Parts Factory. You can find the link in the description below. Other than that, super easy one. I will let you get going. Thanks for watching. See ya.